What's up guys, it's Memo here with Apollo Screen and Shade. I'm going to show you how to take this door down and what we do for the services. So at first what we're going to do is take down, there's 4 screws. First 2 screws are going to be at the bottom. You're going to have to take off this cap and that screw right there. So get a blade, stick it on the corner of the circle. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. Pop her out. I like to leave it right there beside it. And then we're gonna go up top because the other 4 screws are gonna be up top. So what I like to do, obviously, if this cap falls off, it's not all the time you're gonna catch it, but if it falls off, just follow it. You know, you don't want to lose that cap. So what I like to do, pull the door like so, pull it out. That's it. Now we'll go. So next we're going to go ahead and take out the 2 screws. The right side is going to be the side with the slow close on it. So what we're looking for on the end cap, a lot of the times you will get some debris. What I like to do is I'll come in here and I'll loosen it up like so, and that'll loosen up everything in there. This is still pretty filthy, but I'm going to probably use some water to clean it all out. So next we'll go ahead and take out the screen to see if there's any debris, and if there's any folds or anything like that. We want to go ahead and re-add the spins how it was working before when we first built the door. Typically the bottom of the door will have most of the dirt debris. You won't see that at the top. The top one will be nice and clean like so. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get the door back to its original spins. Get the spins going. So if you want to come on this side, we'll go ahead and do 10 pre-spins at first, so we can go ahead and kind of tighten the door up. Maybe I'm doing a little bit more, but we're doing this for a long time. So this one, we're going to go ahead and add 14 spins. So, felt looks good. Doesn't look like we have to change it out. If we do have to change it out, it's because the bottom's gonna be really black. Next, we're gonna check out the magnet, the strike plates, make sure they're still good, not rusted. If they're rusted, we'll go ahead and change those out. Next, we're gonna go ahead and clean the tracks out. If you're looking inside of the tracks, you can see all of this dirt and debris that accumulates over time. So this is why it's very important to get a service with us. And it's very important for you guys to clean out your tracks too, so your door is operating properly. So I'll clean out the tracks all nice and perfect. You don't have to do that with the top one. Next, we're gonna mount the door. Up here, let's not forget to wipe off the top of the door to make it look nice and clean. Put the cap back on. Wipe the top track, because that's where you're going to get a lot of dirt and debris as well. And then that's it. That comes with